teen court resumes in St. Johns County after being shut down by COVID.
Oftentimes, troubled teens deserve a second chance. St. Johns County Clerk of Courts Brandon Patty tells Liz Ryan about a program that helps.
My grandfather used to say, you can't put an old head on young shoulders. Sometimes kids do dumb and regrettable things, and in this age of the internet, it could dog them for the rest of their lives. The clerk's office has a program for kids up to age 17 who have gotten themselves in some trouble.
Juveniles who've been arrested, instead of going through the normal juvenile process, can divert to teen court.
There are strings attached.
And they have to admit guilt to their crime, and then number two, agree to and accept the punishment that's sent by the teen court.
The teen court, you could say, is a jury of their peers. And while sitting on the teen court, participants learn a lot about the judicial system.
Teen court is made up of all teenagers except for the judge, who is a practicing attorney. So the prosecutor, defendant, jury, clerks, and then the defendants are all teens, and it allows those that aspire to participate in the legal process to get engaged and maybe make a career decision.
Clerk Patty, his staff, and the kids involved are really excited about this program. They consider it a win-win.
It's a cool program that really feeds into our values of helping lower the barriers to government, the mystique, the intimidation of government, help them see how justice is administered, and also be able to get some pretty cool life skills. And maybe it pays off with some great lawyers coming out of it, but at the very least, they become more experienced with our legal system and helps them become better informed citizens.
There are safeguards. If the minor who goes before the teen court does not fulfill their responsibilities, the case is referred back to the state attorney's office for prosecution in the traditional juvenile court system. To learn more about teen court, go to stjohnsclerk.com. For St. Augustine's Local Morning News, I'm Liz Ryan.
This local news is a service of your hometown Toyota dealer, Beaver Toyota in St. Augustine, conveniently located off I-95 at exit 311. St. Johns County will celebrate a milestone for the West Augustine community tomorrow with a kickoff event for the brand new turf field at the Solomon Calhoun Community Center. West Augustine Community Redevelopment Agency Senior Advisor Greg White.
Well, we did a survey many years back at the beginning of the CRA and got about 1,000 surveys returned. And the number one issue for the community at that particular time was the lack of youth activities. So henceforth, the Solomon Calhoun Center.
White says the center and the William Dupree Public Pool were created to give kids a safe place to play and swim after a series of tragic drownings in the local borough pits decades ago.
So we petitioned to get the swimming pool, so we were fortunate and blessed enough to get both.
Built in 2009, the Solomon Calhoun Community Center features a full gym, junior Olympic-sized pool, splash area, and football field. Tomorrow's celebration starts at 8 in the morning ahead of the North Florida Wildcats homecoming game. The St. Augustine High School Marching Band will perform, followed by a ribbon cutting and ceremonial coin toss, with remarks from county and community leaders. The weekend is here and there's plenty of family fun to be had in St. Johns County. This is Stacy with Fun for Augie Kids.
Get ready for trick-or-treating with a twist at the annual Halloween Carnival hosted by Baptist Health Place. Enjoy a festive drive-thru packed with treats, characters, themed stations, and fall family fun. Celebrate the season at the Hope Pavilion Fall Festival, a family-friendly event packed with music, games, and autumn treats. Enjoy pumpkin decorating, bounce houses, face painting, and more fun for all ages. Dive into spooky fun at the Halloween Under the Sea at the St. Augustine Aquarium, featuring underwater pumpkin carving, themed habitats, and trick-or-treating galore. Meet a mermaid, decorate cookies, feed sea creatures, and explore a Halloween nature trail. For more on these events and others, please visit us on our website at fun4augiekids.com. Have a great weekend.
And now you're up to date with St. Augustine's local morning news. I'm Rich Carroll.